channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 12 is going to be the following exercises. Number 1, cross jacks. Number 2, curtsy lunges. Number 3, sitting punches. And number 4, glute bridges. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for Fast 5 workout number 12, here are the following exercises. 1, cross jack. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your feet shoulder width apart. You're gonna start in this position. You will cross your feet and then open them back up. So it looks like this, okay? Kind of like our crisscrosses. While you do that, you're also gonna cross your hands over and under each other. So it's gonna look like this. Cross, 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 cross. Okay, those are called cross jacks. Then we got curtsy lunges. So you're gonna start either on your left or your right side. I'm gonna go and start on my left side. I'm gonna step out and then my back foot or my left foot is gonna go behind my foot like this. Okay, so then same thing, side to side. These are called curtsy lunges, okay? Kind of like you're just taking a bow. All right, so those are curtsy lunges. Then we got sitting punches. So we're gonna go down to our bottoms. As we are in like a crunch-like position, we're gonna come up and we're gonna punch across our body, okay? Sitting punches. And last but not least, we got glute bridges. You're gonna put your hands down flat on the floor. You're gonna bring your pelvic up towards the sky. Hands are flat, body's flat. You're gonna go up and down, up and down. Okay, it's kind of like you're making a bridge with your body. So make sure you get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 12, and we'll get started in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. So cross jacks. Again, cross your heads and feet at the same time. Okay, if you want to just go in the front, you can do that. I'm going to go forward and backwards with my feet crossing as well as my hands. Remember, 30 seconds. The best you can. You need to step it out, you can do that as well. Alright. Get to those curtsy lunges, so step, bring that foot behind, and go down. Step and go down. Woo! Almost fall on that one. As you can see, I'm not perfect. I'm gonna make some errors, and that's okay. We're all human. We're all doing our best, right? Keep up the good work. So get ready for those sitting punches in just a moment. Great job. Keep up the good work, my friends. Just finished. All right, let's head on down. Sitting punches. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Go. Come up and punch. 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 Across your body. The higher you can get up, the better. So you breathe, your nose out there. All right, let's go with those bridges. Hands are flat on the floor. Lift up. 1, 2, come down. 1, 2, come down. 1, 2, come down. 1, 2. Hold it up, tighten up your bottom, and go down. Just do the best you can. Okay, these are called glute bridges. And time. All right, 1 minute rest. All right, I'm gonna go and turn this a little bit better so you guys can see those glute bridges. Woo! That was a good one. All right, shake it off, shake it off. Get ready for round number 2. Round number 2. If you guys are enjoying these, make sure you guys drop a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite exercise. What is challenging thus far. Just keep working hard, my friends. We're gonna get through this together. 36 seconds. Woo! Highly recommend you guys do this. Every day. We almost have 2 weeks worth of Fast 5 workouts. Pretty impressive. If you guys have done Fast 5 1 through 11, drop a comment below. Let me know how they're working out for you, okay? 10 seconds left, my friends. 10 seconds. Again, cross jacks. Start with those cross jacks. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Cross jacks. On my feet, my hands are crossing. I'm not stopping. If you need to stop quickly, that's okay. If you need to step it out, that's okay too. Just do your best. Go to the best of your abilities, my friends. All right, got those curtsies set and go across. Get under. You guys are putting on an amazing performance. That's how I remember it. Since I'm thinking about the animal performance. Thank you. Thank you. Great. Woo! Definitely feeling that one out. Alright, we got those sitting push-ups, punches, all that. Those glute bridges. Here we go. Push-up punches. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go up and punch. Try to go higher than you did the first time. Oh, that was a good one. Bridges, hands flat, let's go. Up, down, up, 1, 2, and down. So you're squeezing your bottoms up top. Home stretch, my friends, home stretch. Keep working hard, do your best. Don't give up, just finish. And time. All right, my friends, give yourself a high five, pat yourself in the back. Here's a fist bump. Hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 12. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was your most challenging exercise? What workouts you would like to see in future Fast 5 workouts? Please drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.